Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode, I'm gonna actually show you how to limit or control which participant in a WhatsApp group that can send a message. So let's say for example, you actually in a WhatsApp group use administrator should actually say, and you're really being annoyed by the amount of text that is being sent even within time that is not necessary. So WhatsApp. So we're gonna go into a group, for example. So here, so I'm actually in a group. So we're gonna tap on the. So now that we're in the group, so let's tap on the group at the top there. Now let's go down to group settings. Then you will see send messages. Tap on it. Right, so once so here, as you can see, choose who can send messages to this group. So as you can see, we have all participants. So when you choose all participants, that simply means that anyone in this group can send messages. You can change it to only admins, so that simply means only persons who are admin will be able to send messages in this group. So you will actually choose who can send messages. Let's say for example during the night whenever the group should not be active, then that is when you would actually change the setting to only admin. Once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please want to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. Once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.